one year we milked 30 cows, all by hand, my two brothers and I. We had 10 cows each to milk. When I first left school at the age of about 15, that's a long, long time ago. There were no milking machines in those days, and I am 95 years of age last year, so things were very different when I was 15 years of age. And I was given the job of milking the cows and also washing the separator and helping to feed the vat of the separator while my brother turned the handle. And he turned the handle and he sang at the same time, "Many brave hearts are asleep in the deep, so beware, beware, beware." And every beware got down deeper and deeper. And I filled the vat, kept it full while he was separating. And after that, I was given the job of washing the separator. And one day I thought I would be extra clean, and the water had to be all carried up from the house, quite a distance to the dairy. And I had this tub of hot water, and I dropped a piece of washing soda into it, thinking I would be extra clean. I wasn't told that I should run cold water through the machine first to get rid of all the milk. And I put all the milky parts of the separator into this tub of water with the soda in it, and the effect it had on the water was to send it to jelly. And here was I standing with this awful tub full of stuff. I didn't know what to do. It was all thick and all the separator parts in it, and I had no more water unless there was more carried up from the well at the house. And in the midst of all my despair, the dairy inspector walked in and gave me a severe talking to. And I was nearly in tears, and I wished I was back at school. But anyway, they taught me a lesson. They taught me to run cold water through the machine first. I hadn't been told that. One year my father gave me a calf for myself for doing the work. And he said, when it gets big enough, you can sell it as a vealer and you can have the money for yourself. So one day Father came out, a few weeks later, and he was eyeing this calf off very suspiciously. It was much bigger and fatter than all the other calves that I was feeding, and he wondered what I was up to. And I was up to something too. I always gave it the scrapings of the porridge pot, and if it was my turn to make the porridge, I would make a bit extra.